In this video, I will show you how to fix HTML5 video file not found Google Chrome problem. So to fix this problem on your Google Chrome, first of all, try this method. Method number one, go to this three dot at the top right side, scroll to down and go to help, and then go to about Chrome. After you open the about Chrome, Chrome will automatically check for updates. After it finishes checking for the updates, from there it will give you a button in this option which says relaunch. So after you tap on the relaunch button, this button, from there the Chrome will restart, and from there all the problem will be solved. So let's try the method number two. So the method number two is, now after you open the Chrome, go to this three dot again, and then scroll to down, go to this delete browsing data. So from this option, now tap on this time range and tap on this all time. So from this option, now tap on this delete button. After you delete all your browsing data, from there the Chrome will start working properly. So if this doesn't solve your problem, let's try the method number three. So the method number three, all you have to do now, after you open the Chrome, go to this three dot again. After you tap on this three dot, then go to settings, scroll to down and tap on this reset settings button. So if you tap on this reset setting button now, if you tap on this reset to default, from there the Chrome will restart to its default. So from there all your problem will be solved. So hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.